All right, let's journey into a possible future. A future where humanity has solved, well, everything. But in doing so, we might have accidentally created one final terrifying problem. A question that could pull the rug out from under the very meaning of our existence. Let's dive in. I want you to keep this question in your head as we go. It is the absolute core of the story today. What happens to us when the great hunt for knowledge, for answers, is finally over? So let's set the stage. Picture a time, maybe a few centuries from now. With the help of incredible artificial intelligence, we've pretty much climbed every mountain there is to climb. We're standing right at the edge of what can be known. So what does this world even look like? Well, for starters, disease is something you'd only read about in history books. Cancer, genetic disorders, you name it, the things that haunted our ancestors for thousands of years, they're just gone. And you know those massive planet-sized challenges we're facing? Yeah, they're solved too. Energy poverty isn't a thing anymore. We've tapped into these sources of unlimited, clean power that everyone on Earth has access to. And with all that energy, we finally healed our planet. We're living in this incredible harmony with nature now. The climate is stable, the ecosystems are thriving, our world is healthy again. And to top it all off, we finally reached the stars. That whole final frontier thing, we reached it. With ships that can jump across the galaxy faster than light, the great age of exploration is kind of done. We've seen it all. So it's a perfect world, right? Every problem is solved, every question answered, every mystery is brought into the light. Except for one. That's right. After all that incredible progress, there's just one final piece of the puzzle left. One last little secret the universe has been holding back. And what is it? What's this last big scientific hurdle? Believe it or not, it's creating water from scratch in a lab. It's the last key to unlocking total, absolute abundance for everyone and ending our oldest struggle for resources, once and for all. But here's the twist. The moment we solve this, a whole new problem pops up. And this one is so much more unsettling. It's a question that isn't about science at all. It's about, well, it's about us. And this is the question that changes everything. When all the work is done, when the struggle is finally over, when every single mystery has a solution, what do we become? What's our purpose then? And you know, this isn't just some philosophical thought experiment. This is the very real, very secret fear of the scientists working at a place called the Last Institute. They're the ones on the verge of solving this final problem, and they are absolutely terrified of what happens next. See, the Institute is basically running two projects at once. On the surface, their researchers are about to crack synthetic water, but behind the scenes, they're hiding that progress from everyone. Why? Because there's another team of psychologists, and they're studying us, trying to figure out if the human mind can even handle a world with no more questions. They're afraid humanity might just break in the silence that comes after curiosity ends. So, this is it, the ultimate fork in the road for all of us. Does solving everything finally bring us into that golden age of peace we've always dreamed of? Or, without a problem to solve, without a reason to strive, do we just collapse into a collective, meaningless age of emptiness? Just think about that for a second. For the first time in the entire story of our species, we can actually see the finish line. We're right there, at the border of all knowledge, and no one, not a single soul, has any idea what's on the other side. Is it paradise, or is it the end? Let's really try to make this personal for a moment. Just imagine it. A life with absolutely no more struggle. Every need you could ever have is met. Every danger is gone. And there are simply no more mysteries to solve. Nothing left to figure out. Which brings us back to the one question that all our science, all our genius just can't answer. In a world where everything is just given to you and nothing is sought after, would your life still have any meaning at all? Or would we finally learn that the struggle, the search, was the whole point all along?